guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be talking about some shows that are so good but yet they are not like really talked about and they're so underrated. So I just want to tell you guys some of the nicest, some of the most amazing shows I watched recently. So let's get started. So the first show that I want to talk about is, it's a Marvel show by the way. Even if you're not into into Marvel movies and stuff like that, which I love, you should still give it a try. This show is called Marvel's Agent Carter, and it's basically about it's like the best thing that I can say about it. The best statement which I can summarize the show in is it's like Sherlock Holmes but better, and that's the best thing I can say about it. And if you're not don't realize how good it is, let me tell you a little bit about it. So it's basically about this agent called Peggy Carter, and it derives like this character was there in the Marvel cinematic universe. But then I'm not gonna give you any spoilers if you haven't watched Marvel movies or if you're not into them, whatever. But yeah, so it's basically about that agent, and it's about when the World War I think 2 ends, and after that how she makes her path as a woman during that time where women were not at all respected or given opportunities and stuff like that. She is an agent, how she takes back the power, and it's such thriller. There's like things happening. It's like so how do I tell it? It's like she's an agent, so there's like murder mysteries and thriller things happening. It's so good, and I don't know how I did not know about this, but it's available on Disney Plus Hotstar if you're interested. It's so good. I cannot stop recommending it. It's just the most amazing show I watched recently, and it's definitely worth a try. Even if you're a Marvel fan, you have to watch it. But if you're not, you still can give it a try. It's still amazing. Second show that I watched recently, you might have heard about it or you might not, I don't know. But yeah, so this show called New Girl, and I finished it just before I watched the Agent Carter one. And it's basically about this girl named Jessica, and she moves in with these 3 guys in an apartment, and she's the only girl, and it's so funny. It's literally one of the most funniest, like hilarious, cutest show I've watched recently. It's so good. I have no idea how I finished, like it was 6 or 7 seasons so easily. I like couldn't stop watching it. So I don't know, it's a good idea for you to watch it. But I'm kidding, it's a great show. It's so funny, the characters are so good, and there's like so many things happening. It's so realistic. I mean, it's not like a stupid show where like things are happening and stuff like that. It's just realistic, and their real lives and stuff like that, and it's so funny and so good. I loved the characters, I loved the storyline, and it's amazing. Next show that I'm going to be talking about is not really like less known. I mean, it's probably all over social media in the past few weeks and stuff like that. But yeah, the next show is WandaVision. I know another Marvel show, I get it. Yeah, so I mean, yeah, if you're a Marvel fan, you probably watched it. But even if you're not a Marvel fan, it's such a amazingly made show. The characters, the storyline, the twists and turns, the CGIs, the effects are so amazing, and it's such a amazing concept, the way they have taken the whole show. Like I mean, now all the episodes are available, and the series have ended and stuff like that. But before, like they were posting like once a week, like an episode a week, and I was so excited to watch that. And every episode is just telling the story in its own, and so good. So basically, if you haven't watched it, it revolves around this character called Scarlet Witch, which is in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. And this basically shows how she deals with the events after the end game and stuff like that. How how powerful she is, and how she realizes her power and stuff like that. It's such an amazing show, and it's this one is the only show that's like, you know, pretty popular and stuff like that. But like, I wanted to come out and say that like you have to watch. It's one of the most amazing shows I've ever watched, and it's literally so amazing. So I've talked about some of the, you know, like foreign American shows and stuff like that, but now I'm gonna get into some of more the Indian shows that I've watched, you know, not just recently, like before also. And they're so good, and there are like so many Indian series, and from now on I wanted to, you know, because I've been watching a lot of them since a few years now, but I haven't really talked about them on my channel. So from now on I want to talk about some Indian series as well. So starting with today, so I don't know, like I'm gonna start with one of my favorites Indian series that I've watched, and I've recommended this to everyone I've known, and it's so good. So this series is called Flames. Yes, you might have watched it, you might have not, but if you haven't, I just wanted to tell you that you have to. It's such a beautiful series. It's a very short series. It's only like 2 seasons are out now, and it's available on TVF or I think MX Player for free. And it basically, like, there are these kids, you know, in high school, and you know, it basically revolves around like friendship, first love, crushes, you know, the peer pressure that you go through, and you know, the pressures and the, you know, comforts and the goods and the bads of you know, like this age where I'm at. And I mean, it's not exactly relatable obviously, but it's so beautifully made. The second season is just the best thing I've ever watched, and I am not even kidding. You have to. The actors are so good. The first season is more, you know, like fun and nice and cute and stuff like that. The second season gets more like a little bit more realistic and stuff like that, but it's available for free on TVF. Please go watch it. Next show that I've been recommended by a friend of mine, and I've recommended to other people as well. This show is called Girls Hostel, and the season 2 I think just came out. You might have heard about it, I don't know, but yeah. And basically, this show is another Indian amazing, beautifully made show with really good characters, and so this show is basically revolves around like girls. I mean, obviously the name says Girls Hostel, so yeah, but it basically revolves around like girls, their friendship, the, you know, the things the girls have to go through, the hard, the good things and stuff like that. It's so funny, but at the same time it deals with really real things, and the characters and stuff are so good. Just I'm tired of saying so good, I'm sorry, but you get it. So yeah, it's available. I think the first season is available on TVF, and second season is, I think, available on Sony Live. It's really good. It's like not a long series. They're like the episodes are very short, and it's 2 seasons only. You can watch it at like a week or something, and I've recommended it to so many people, and whoever have watched it have told me that it's one of the best and the funniest series they've watched. So yeah. Next, last but not the least, I want to talk about this series. It's another TVF series. I honestly, like, I was recommended a lot of TVF series by a lot of people, and it's honestly so many hidden gems are there. This is one of the funniest and one of my favorites too. It's called Tripling. So it's so funny. I think it also has like 2 seasons, I think. So it's basically about these like 3 siblings who meet after a very long time, and then they go on a road trip, and it's like the fun, and you know, like, it's just so funny. And you know, it's basically like siblings and their fights and the things they go through, the things they're individually going through in their life and stuff like that. But that road trip and everything is so funny, and it's a very good series. So I mean, so these are all the, you know, less known or like not so popular, underrated series that I've watched recently. And these, let me know if you watch any of them. I would love to know if you took my recommendation and stuff. And if you have any more of series that you've watched, or underrated series that you're, you know, fan of or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below, because I'm always looking for some new series to watch and stuff like that. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.